Hey there, Jackie Flynn here. I hope you can join us at EMDR's 2023 conference in Virginia. It's in person. I'm a certified EMDR therapist and an EMDR approved consultant, and I get to present on practical applications of the Polyvagal Theory in EMDR therapy. It's one of my favorite things. It's applying Dr. Stephen Porges's work throughout all 8 phases of the basic protocol of EMDR therapy. What we know about people that have experienced chronic traumatic stress is that safe doesn't feel safe anymore. Their nervous system gets rewired to detect cues of danger, making it hard to even notice cues of safety. And for some of our clients, they may never even have felt safe in the first place. So when we apply the nervous system knowledge, so the polyvagal theory, it shifts the way that we gather information, the way that we look at potential targets, potential resources, explore any potential secondary gains, even determining whether it's a good time for EMDR therapy for the client or not. Knowing about the nervous system really helps us to understand how to prepare clients in a way that we can prevent lots of abreaction and deepen the process because they lean into the therapeutic experience even more when they feel safe. We do that through co-regulation and creating neuroception of safety. That's the felt sense that goes way beyond our capacity to think things through. So it doesn't rely on somebody's ability to say or do the right things. It's really just a deep human connection. Now, when we are assessing targets in phase 3, having the nervous system in mind and really lighting up those neural networks in a way that's tethered in safety helps things not to go off the rail and even shut down. I don't know about you, but have you ever had a client say, "Oh, I don't feel anything in my body"? It doesn't bother me. That happened years ago. With the nervous system in mind, we can see that as the body's capacity to adapt to be able to shut down the felt sense because it was too overwhelming. And how do we light up those neural networks on those targets without just opening Pandora's box through safety and connection? That's how. And then in phase 4, when we are working on lowering down that emotionality, reducing the image vividness, desensitizing those targets, how do we do it in a way that's respectful to the nervous system, honoring that it is in states of survival? It's really cool how that works and how we can use movement and imagery and nature to be able to help clients reprocess what otherwise is inaccessible just because the nervous system is in defensive states. Now, when we're looking at positive cognitions, there's some super cool ways that we can not only install the positive cognition, but have it feel true throughout their entire being. We can deepen the process. Now, when we're doing the body scan in phase 6, having really that knowledge of the physiological impact of trauma on the body can help us to not only identify it, be aware, but help work through those residual pieces. And I love how through safety and connection, through that reciprocity, we can close down sessions in phase 7 to where the client feels grounded enough to go out into the world and not feeling raw and vulnerable from the therapeutic experience. And then in phase 8, when we engage in the reevaluation process. So I hope to see you then. It's on August 26th at 2 p.m. Please come. All right. Take care. Bye.